Is offering tax breaks to mitigate the impact of COVID-19. Many businesses, that is, have lost income and revenue during the national lockdown. Let's discuss this further now with the tax expert, Professor Dilip Garach. Prof, thanks for holding on. That line failing us the first time around, so you touched on a number of areas. I want to pick up now on the tax deferrals. And as far as some huge industries are concerned, do these go far enough in order to ease the pressure?
Well, certainly it is some kind of relief. I mean, the whole idea is what government is trying to do is revive the economy. The economy is severely depressed, if I may use that word. And certainly it's going to come, it will certainly help from a cash flow point of view. It's a liquidity crisis that we all are suffering at the moment. And that will help in deferring the actual tax liability. So it's not taking the tax liability away altogether. All it's doing is that postponing it. It's giving more time for the economy now to revive, and then thereafter taxpayers will continue to contribute to the fiscus.
Yeah, as far as personal income tax, I see there is an increased wage subsidies for lower earners. Is that enough?
Well, that certainly is a subsidy that is granted to the employer. That is to encourage employers to, in fact, employ people. It's part of the employee tax incentive scheme, and it will certainly encourage employment. But really, from 500 to 750 rand is a very small increase. That's not going to do too much in encouraging employers to employ more employees.
Yeah, and what about the deductible solidarity fund donations there? I see that there is a tax deductible limit for donations. Is that encouraging? I mean,
yes,
that can't...
Well, that certainly is encouraging because the major corporates can look towards contributing more. It's more or less double from what it was. You know, it's normally 10% of your taxable income. That has now been increased by a further 10%. So certainly that will encourage people to contribute towards the Solidarity Fund, which is all about COVID-19.
Yeah. All right. Prof. Garach, let's leave it there for the time being. Thanks indeed for your insights. Professor Dilip Garach speaking to us on the tax breaks that were announced